Welcome to our channel. Today we will dive deep into understanding data encryption. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of data encryption and how it protects your digital information. Stay tuned. In this chapter, we will delve into how data encryption works. You'll learn about the processes and technologies that keep your data secure. Ready to decode the mystery of encryption? Let's get started. Let's talk about the public-private key pair. This is a crucial concept in encryption. Your computer generates two keys that are mathematically linked. The public key is shared with the world, while the private key remains your well-guarded secret. These keys ensure secure communication between parties. Next, we'll discuss the key handout process. This step is essential for establishing a secure connection. Your public key is disseminated to anyone who needs to send you secure data. It's like handing out the address to a super secure P.O. box that only you can open with your private key. Now, let's dive into encryption itself. When someone wants to send you a file, they encrypt it using your public key. This process transforms the data into a secure format that only the person with the corresponding private key, you, can read. Think of it as sealing a letter with a lock that only you can open. Next up, public key encryption. It is a powerful method for securing data. Let's explore how it works and why it's so effective. The file is encrypted using the public key, adding an extra layer of security. This ensures that the encrypted file and the symmetric key needed to decode it are both protected. It's like double locking a safe, making it extremely secure. Next up, file transfer. It is a common use case for encryption. The encrypted file is then sent over the network to your computer. Even if a cyber intruder intercepts this file, it remains secure and unreadable without the private key. This is how encryption ensures that your files are safe during transfer. Now we dive into decryption. Files encrypted with your public key can only be decrypted by your private key. Even if the message is intercepted by another computer that knows your public key, only your computer can decrypt its contents. Extraction is the next step. Here, your computer extracts the encrypted file and the symmetric key needed to decode it. Next up, Decryption Step 2. This step involves converting the encrypted data back into its original form. Using the symmetric key, your computer completes the decryption process, making the secured information accessible. File unlock is the final step. Once decrypted, the data is accessible and ready for use. The layered encryption ensures that our data remains safe from prying eyes at every step of its journey. Encryption is an essential tool in our cybersecurity arsenal, protecting data integrity and confidentiality. Whether you're securing sensitive information or ensuring secure communications, understanding encryption is crucial. We hope you now have a better understanding of how encryption keeps your data safe. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected.